Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can probably see by the title, and as you know from the previous video, I have got an Aventador SVJ. Now, this is actually the day when that video went up live announcing that, of the garage update. But, as you can see by some ridiculous cars behind me, I'm joined on the way to see the SVJ, and the first time it's in the UK. It's a preview of the car. So, I'm actually not going in any of my cars, even though there are Lamborghinis here. I know I should be going in my Performante, but I'm not going to be doing that simply because I'm really tired and I've got some work to do. So I'm going to sit at the back of the car in my S-Class. I know, very boring. As you can see, Aventador S behind me there, coupe, which has been pulled up. Nice black one, similar to mine, but obviously different coloured calipers. This is really nice. So Aventador S Roadster in a nice paint. I don't know what this is, but if it's been wrapped or what, but that looks amazing. Another Roadster's turned up as well. Unbelievable. An F40. I'm not sure what this is doing here, what its plan is, but check out the noise. I'm not sure what this is doing here. I'm assuming it's joining us on the drive up. So that is going to join us. There is an Urus here, of course. Is the HRO in demo, just like I believe the other one at the end there as well. Beautiful, beautiful Performante here as well. Looking really nice. I believe this one is paying homage to a previous one. Performante Spider, looking really, really, really good in white. And of course at the end here we have the Lamborghini HRO in Urus. And Yanni's car's there as well. He's joining us as well for the drive. So, as I said, I'm not going to be joining their drive. I'm going to be sitting in the car. My S-Class is over there. I've just come because this is on the way to the place, so I thought I'll stop and see the cars as they go up. I'm going to get a head start before all the stone chips and stuff happened last time. I don't know if you guys know, but my Aventador S had a stone chip on the bonnet the last time. So all I'm going to do now is show you a little bit more of the cars that are here. I think a few of them that turn up, and then I'm going to head up there. Me and my friends are there as well. And hopefully, I don't know what the situation is, whether you're allowed to record or not. But anyway, that's about it. I will see you guys when we get there. Okay, now on the way finally. It is currently nearly 6 o'clock, so I'm about to make the video go live, which of course you would have seen already. If you haven't, click up there and you'll see the video of me announcing the fact that I had the SVJ, and also a garage update. So if you want to know what's going on with all the other cars, then make sure you check out that video. I can kind of hear them. They are behind me. I'll try and get some shots of all the cars as they're coming down. But yeah, I'm gonna chill. I've actually got some work to do, hence why I'm in this car. Otherwise, yeah, it would have been cool to be in the Performante. I know it sucks, but listen, I've got some work to do, so I'm gonna sit here, just get that all done, and hopefully then when we get there, like I said, I can film. But I'll try, as I'm concentrating on some work, get them as they're coming past. You can't see them yet, but you'll see a flashy chrome wrap and a mixture of all the other things there. I think there's 3 Uruses, an SV, I think there's an F40, like I said, there's a couple of Aventador S's. Yeah, it's crazy, and there's gonna be even crazier cars there, so I'll film it when I get there. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. It's not really been that much, but I'm looking forward to seeing the car. I know everybody's kind of seen it already, so it's not that big a deal, but seeing it in person is a different thing. So, okay, I will get back on when I'm there. Oh, nice 408 on the other side. Yeah, you can't see it. Okay. Just entering Blenheim Palace, arrived. Very nice. I know this place is going to be crazy busy over the weekend because of course it is Salon Privé. I'm going to try and make it down on Sunday potentially if I can, but it might be a little bit tricky because again I've got quite a bit of work to do, so I'm not sure. There you can see Blenheim Palace up front there. I'm probably going to just get parked up, get dropped off, and then we'll touch base when I am inside. Yeah, I think I've got to check some ID and stuff now, and then park up. It's time to see the SVJ. Excited. Okay, so we are here. Look at the madness behind me. This is ridiculous. Never been to an actual thing before apart from the Urus launch, which was in London. They say it's a select few, and I think it is a select few. Everybody's going to start making their way in now, which is kind of nice, like get an amazing view of all the cars. But SVs for days, Performantes for days, Uruses. Look at that. Look at those Uruses. So many. I'm not even going to bother to try and show you all around all the cars. There are some crazy wrap cars here, like that Aventador Roadster over there. Some nice PPF'd matte black cars, I think, over there, just from paint or not. But everybody seems to be making their way in, so I'm going to head in now as well, try and get a good view of the car. So I will see you guys inside when it's time to see the SVJ. But yeah, just look at this. Mad. Look at this spec. Oh, that red. I'm in love with that red. It's good to have a look at some ideas of cars here actually, for different colors for maybe the SVJ. So that is nice, I like that. But this is something I really like, this over here. Beautiful. So that's it, guys. There is the car. You know that I have this. Sorry, my battery's run out on my camera. So one last look at the car. What do you think about it? I've tried to not talk and just show you the car. But tell me specs or what I should be going for, what colors and everything. The whole journey and everything is going to come here, hopefully from the factory and a few other bits. But there it is. One last look at the car. Remember to like, subscribe, do all the other bits. And I'll see you guys soon in another video.